Welcome, it's the RC Renegade, and today we are installing screws for the support pillars on the bottom of the Kyosho Inferno MP9. Today the screws for the support pillars came in the mail, and these were hard to find. I asked on some online groups, and it turns out they don't make the original screws for this buggy, and I called Kyosho and I was able to find some screws that are compatible that have hex heads instead of Phillips heads. I would guess this car is maybe around 10 years old or so. It's just a guess, but a lot of times working with older cars, especially nitros, it can be challenging to find parts sometimes, but I was able to call Kyosho and they were able to point me in the right direction. So here's the screws that came in here, and these are hex heads. You can see the part number on the package there, and also on the back side it has some more information as well. You'll notice a lot of these is in Japanese, because Kyosho is a Japanese company, so they deal with a lot of international buyers and sellers, and you can see that on their product packaging. But I'm just thankful to be able to get some screws that are compatible for this car. So without further ado, let's get into the project. I mentioned in the previous videos the support pillars that are giving us issues was this one right here in the front. And so in the previous video, I took a screw that held on this support pillar here in the rear, and I switched it to the front to hold it temporarily in place. So here we have our front support pillar, and I removed one screw from here and brought it over to our rear support pillar to temporarily hold it in place. So today I'm going to install two new screws into this rear support pillar and then hold everything down on both support pillars with our red thread locker 27000 series. So that's what we're going to do today. Just want to do a brief explanation of how all this will work. As you can see, we have our new support pillar screws installed that have the hex heads, and then we have the original support pillar screws reinstalled, and everything is secured with red Threadlocker 27000 series. This is one more step closer to completing the Kyosho Inferno MP9 project. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe, and be on the lookout for more videos.